AI ethics and regulation are crucial aspects of ensuring that the use of artificial intelligence is safe, fair, and beneficial for society. As AI technologies advance, the need to address ethical concerns and create regulations becomes more pressing. Here are some key issues and considerations. 1. Bias and fairness. AI systems can unintentionally perpetuate biases present in the data they are trained on. For instance, if the data reflects historical inequalities, the AI can reinforce those biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. This is particularly concerning in areas like hiring, healthcare, criminal justice, and lending. To combat this, 1. Bias mitigation techniques are being developed to ensure AI models are trained on diverse and representative datasets. 2. Regulation could require companies to demonstrate that their algorithms have been tested for bias and fairness. 2. Privacy and data protection. AI systems often rely on vast amounts of personal data, which raises concerns about privacy. In healthcare, for example, patient data is sensitive, and improper handling can lead to breaches of confidentiality or misuse. 1. Data protection laws like the GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, in Europe have established guidelines on how personal data should be collected, stored, and used. 2. AI transparency regulations could require clear disclosures about how personal data is being used and give individuals more control over their data. 3. Accountability and transparency. As AI systems become more autonomous, determining who is responsible for decisions made by AI becomes a challenge. If an AI makes a harmful decision, e.g., a self-driving car accident or an AI-driven hiring system rejecting qualified candidates, who is accountable? 1. Transparency. Developers need to explain how their models work, especially in high-stakes domains like healthcare or criminal justice. 2. Accountability. Legal frameworks need to establish who can be held accountable for AI-driven decisions, whether it's the developers, companies, or other parties. 4. Autonomy versus human control. AI can automate many processes, but there's ongoing concern about how much control humans should retain, particularly in sensitive areas like healthcare, law enforcement, and military applications. 1. Human-in-the-loop systems. Some argue that AI should augment human decision-making rather than replace it entirely, ensuring that humans can intervene when necessary. 2. Ethical concerns arise when AI systems make life or death decisions, e.g., in autonomous weapons or healthcare diagnostics. 5. Security and safety. AI systems are vulnerable to manipulation, such as adversarial attacks where small changes in input can lead to incorrect outputs. Ensuring AI systems are secure and safe is critical to preventing misuse or unintended consequences. 1. Safety standards. Governments and international organizations may establish guidelines for designing AI that can withstand potential malicious attacks or errors. 2. Ongoing monitoring of AI systems in operation is essential to detect and address any safety concerns. 6. Job displacement and economic impact. AI and automation can lead to job displacement, as machines replace human workers in many industries. This raises ethical questions about how to address the economic impact on workers. 1. Reskilling programs. There is an emphasis on preparing the workforce for the future by focusing on skills that complement AI technologies. 2. Universal Basic Income, UBI, or other policy solutions are also being discussed to help those whose jobs may be replaced by AI. 7. Regulation and governance. Regulating AI is a complex task, as it requires balancing innovation with public safety. Governments around the world are starting to develop frameworks and guidelines for AI. 1. The EU has proposed comprehensive AI regulations that focus on risk-based approaches, where high-risk AI systems, like in healthcare, transportation, or law enforcement, are subject to more stringent oversight. 2. The US has taken a more decentralized approach with various agencies regulating different aspects of AI, e.g., the FDA for healthcare AI, the FTC for consumer protection. 3. International collaboration. Given AI's global nature, international cooperation is crucial to ensure consistent standards and prevent regulatory race to the bottom practices. 8. Ethical AI design. There is an increasing push for designing AI that aligns with human values and ethics, rather than simply optimizing for efficiency or profit. 1. AI for good. Some companies and organizations focus on creating AI that solves global challenges, like climate change or healthcare disparities. 2. Ethical guidelines. Many AI research bodies, like the IEEE and Partnership on AI, have developed ethical principles for designing and deploying AI systems, including transparency, accountability, and fairness.